Hey everybody, it's Chris.
And Joan.
From Chris and Joan's Travels. Hey everybody, we're in the, what do they call this place? I forget even what they call this place. The District Brew House. We're doing our day 5 Mazatlan blog from here. So yesterday we got up. It was an early get up day. We had to get up at 6. The ship pulled in to Mazatlan at 7. We had or at 6, and we had an excursion at 7. So we got up early. Went to the buffet, had a quick bite over there, and then our big adventure yesterday was going over to Stone Island via catamaran. We did the Stone Island excursion, and so you get off the ship, they take you over to a catamaran. It's not a long ride, but they take you for a little ride up the channel and then back down the channel, and then across the channel over to Stone Island. Joan said about 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
About 10 minutes, but it's a 10-minute catamaran ride. Not a true catamaran, just a double-hull boat, so they call it a catamaran. And then when you get off, you get on a tractor. They had a couple big tractors with places to sit, and probably about 150, 200 of us on this excursion. And you take about a 15-minute tractor ride over to the beach. When you get to the beach, they let you off. Kind of all-inclusive to a point. There's like free alcohol. You get and a lunch. You get a little ticket for the lunch. You get a little ticket to use one of their rides. So one of the activities. So you got a beach. You got food. They had hammocks you could use for free, which was nice. I hung out in the hammocks personally, working on my suntan, and then played around in the water. The activities they had there, they had a whole bunch. They had a few. They had a banana boat that got towed around. They put 8 people on it, and they tow you far around some other little island and then back. They had an RTV or ATV. They let you take an ATV ride. There's horseback riding. They had boogie boards. So there was some water sports stuff, and then there was some dry land stuff to keep you busy. So we did the banana boat, and that was actually pretty cool. Let's see, what else? What else?
For that?
Yeah.
So basically, they have it covered so you can sit inside the area, a completely covered area for free. There's no charge for that. Like I said, it's free drinks, and you're provided with one meal, which was chicken
Tacos.
Chicken, 2 quesadillas, rice, beans, salad, and fish, because we didn't want the fish. And then tortillas and
chips and salsa.
So you get that. So that was good. And then if you wanted to, then you could go down a little bit onto the sand area, and it's still covered, and tables and chairs there. You can sit there for free.
No, the tables and chairs you paid for under the umbrella.
No.
Under the umbrellas. Right.
And
the
canopy. Once you get out into
the
beach area, then over toward the actual beach area, there's umbrellas, and you get charged for that. If you wanted an umbrella and a table and 4 chairs, it's $18. And if you wanted it a larger one, kind of a gazebo, I think it was 20.
I think it was 30.
30, yeah.
Because the lady said to split it with 2 groups.
It's probably 30. So, and then they had those, and you could sit those right on the beach area if you wanted that. So that was paid for. Otherwise, you didn't have to pay for anything. You can sit on the beach on your own and
just relax
with a towel and do it. And so basically, you could do whatever you wanted. And they had vendors, of course. The vendors were selling a little bit of everything. And they were pretty aggressive, but that's what it is. That's what they do. But other than that, so that was 7 hours. So we actually
about
a little bit of everything.
We had to come back. The tractors took us back to the catamaran. The catamaran took us for a quick ride across, and basically we were back on the ship at 1:30, right when we were supposed to be, because that was the last call to get everybody on board. We were one of the last excursions to come back. We came back to the ship. We changed into something else, and then because we were Latitude members, platinum level and above, they had the free wine tasting. So we went to the wine tasting thing. And
wines around the world.
They did a wine around the world. There were 8 wines to taste. The guy explained all 8 wines. So I think there was one from Chile, the United States, Italy, France, Norwegian. So it was actually pretty interesting. I think there were 4 white wines or 3 white wines, a rosé, and 4 red wines. like the Chardonnay was from the Napa Valley was actually pretty good. I have to say that
that's what we do.
And then after that, we decided to go to the spa. We went to the spa again. We do that, so you can do that every day.
Do that and relax.
And then after the spa, we cleaned up. We had dinner. We had a show reservation for Jersey Boys at 6:30, so we went for a quick bite over at the local. We had a dinner there real quick. Made it over to Jersey Boys. Jersey Boys is about an hour and 4 minutes, but it was very good. I actually really enjoyed it. Good show. Basically tells their story from start to where they are now.
Yeah, good entertainment. It's very good. Gotta see it at least once.
And then that finished up with enough of time we were able to walk over to the comedy club, and they had the 2 comedians and the cruise director sitting a panel, and they were throwing words up on the wall, and they had to make up the true definition. Only one of them had the true definition, and people had to vote, and then they would say what it was, and they were funny. The cruise director was talking like a guy from Singapore, making it kind of racist, actually, talking in in a Singaporean accent, and it was just funnier than hell. And then the other 2 real comedians, the one guy was talking about the Oxford Dictionary definition for everything, so you really had no clue if he was bullshitting you or not, and he was half the time. And then the other guy was trying to make stuff up, and he was pretty funny. And most people voted for him, but he was wrong most of the time. So actually that was pretty good. We did that. After that, we went up to the Garden Cafe for a quick snack, had some ice cream. And then we went down, checked out the pool. They were playing live music there. We both were pretty beat because we got up early, and that was our day. What else? So, hope you guys like this Day 5 blog. This is Chris.
And Joan.
From Chris and Joan's Travels.
So once again, don't forget to give us a like, a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. Add to our channel. We'd love it.
We really need a couple subscribers. We lost one.
More subscribers.
So, have a great day. Bye.
Talk to you later. Bye.